Alright, we're on the highway here. Really see this Magnum. Woo! I short shifted forth because I didn't feel like going to jail. Alright guys, welcome back. It feels great to have to be here again, to have the car back. You know, it's been a while since I put up my last video. Work has just been so busy for me, and it's been hard to shoot, and I've been kind of plagued with little issues. I had my alternators go bad, got the new K&J on, okay, then I had the lower pulley fail, and we replaced that, and I'll put in some pictures of what my pulley looked like coming out, but you can see now that I just can't move it at all. So that's completely fixed. We used a McCaster car, new bushings. That's great. I took the car out last night. It's driving mint. The best it's driven for me in a while. So where I left off is I wanted to get one of the party pulleys on. You know, this is the 325 Grip Tech. This is a 3.0 Grip Tech, but that's only for Ignite, the E90. So we're gonna put the 325 on. We're gonna get some torco in. I'm gonna take the belt off real quick. I'll show you guys kind of how I do it. I'm assuming that you've done this before. It's actually pretty easy. I don't know how I'll be able to do it one-handed, but got the my gear wrench here. This is the 122. It's always good to try. You want to make sure you don't forget to loosen your bolts up first, okay? And I usually just give it a little whack, and it comes right off. Loosen your bolts first on your pulley. If you forget to do that, that's a critical misstep. I'm sure you guys have seen this. Let me show you this tool before. It's really pretty easy. It's a little bit harder with the tank here. But you just pop it in here. You can really see the difference from the 3625 Whipple to the 325. So this is about 18 pounds of boost. It's about 22, so probably makes about, I think it's about another 60 wheel. I've almost gotten used to the 740 tune, and it honestly starts to feel kind of slow. So definitely, let's take it up a notch. Pulley on. You can't tighten the pulley until you get the belt on it. I want to make sure that the belt is on the alternator, which we can see it is. Top pulley, crank pulley, everything looks correct. We'll go ahead, snug the pulley down, put the torco in. All right, so Grip Tech is on, bolts are tightened up. Time for the torco, which is right here. We're gonna use a whole can today, and we can see about 10 gallons in the tank. Whole can, 32 ounces, is plus 11 octane points. So gonna be around, 103, 104 octane. And you just put the whole can in. Turn my nice spark plugs orange, but I'd rather orange spark plugs than a 7-cylinder. Here we go. And that's it. Let's go for a drive. just see how the new pulley feels. Alright guys, time to go for a little cruise. Put the killer chiller on, get that going, put the windows up so I don't kill you guys with the wind noise. But, you know, it was just such a hard, long, busy week, really month at work, and you know, it just feels so good to have the car back. Almost all of the little foibles with it, or really all of them, are fixed. Everything is running. It's really as great as I can remember with the car, to be honest. You know, it's just such a nice car to relax and go cruising, you know. I wouldn't want to drive it every day, but as a weekend car, there's really nothing compares. And then we got this guy that I wish I had a forward-facing camera for this. A Mazda 3, and no, not a Speed 3. I'm actually going to take the camera off to show you the car that just cut me off, okay, and made me slam the brakes, okay. Let's catch up. I wish my car wasn't so loud so you guys could actually hear what this guy's doing. He keeps running his car off the two-step limiter in neutral as if he's going to impress me with his 140 horsepower sedan with a wing on it. If my car wasn't so loud, I'm sure you'd hear that. Maybe you do. But I'm sure he'll do something at this light and it's going to be probably pretty funny. Like is he brake boosting? It's not even turbocharged. This guy blows my mind. Here you go. As I was saying before I got cut off and missed the super speeder in his little Mazda, it was just such a hard, long week or month at work, and it felt so great last night to take the car out and just cruise. Didn't need to race anybody. You just cruise at night on a perfect summer night with the windows down, and it's just relaxing, and the car was running perfect, and it just reminds me why I love this car so much. Oh, it's gonna be fun. All right, we're on the highway here. Really see this Magnum. I short shifted forth because I didn't feel like going to jail. It feels so great to have confidence in shifting again. It really does, because for years I was almost self-conscious, so nervous in you know, racing or trying to shift fast, because I couldn't with my T56. With this Magnum, I'm back in the game, it feels like, and I don't even have that much seat time. But it just, like I said, it feels great. Gonna try to get back to shooting some videos for you guys. You know, you're gonna, you know, leave me some comments. What do you want me to shoot? I'd like to get a better exhaust video with the new GoPro that I have here. I'd like to make it, you know, another nice exhaust video. Want to try the blower whine video with the mic in the engine bay, although it just might be too loud and get all blown out. But you don't know till you try it. So I know today was not the world's most exciting video. It was just more of an update. The car's back, I'm back. It's gonna gonna be a great summer, guys. As always, thanks for watching, and keep it clean.